Okay, I may have fucked up here. I just picked up this 2014 Nissan 370Z with 100,000 miles. It's got a rebuilt title. It was rear-ended. Does need brakes, so that's why I was able to pick it up at such a cheap price. But my dog loves it. I can't get him to get out of it, but you know, he's just chilling. It's got some really nice niche wheels. Does got some peeling paint in the gas cap, but that's easy fix. Overall, paint's in good condition. You can tell that it was rear-ended, though the bumper doesn't quite match the hatch there. Still need to get under the car, see exactly what kind of exhaust this is. It does have a Nismo tips. I do think those are just the tips, though. Yeah, really good condition otherwise. Guessing the taillights were replaced as well. But yeah, very hazy headlights. Try to get that fixed right away. But yeah, this is gonna be the new project car. What do you guys think? Was this a bargain or more than I bargained for? Let me know in the comments.